interrupted with the assimp32 Library DLL blocking open asset import workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To start our guide for assimp32 library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the assimp32 library, the 32-bit implementation of the open asset import library. It provides localized unmanaged C++ routines for parsing over 40 different 3D file formats, OBJ, FBX, STL. Mandatory for 32-bit localized 3D viewers and model converters to resolve complex geometric manifests. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Because assimp32 Library DLL is specific to the open asset import runtime environment, standard Windows repairs won't work, and you should use the official installer for your primary program where the error occurs to refresh the application and restore the file. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing assimp32 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Remember that manual replacement of assimp32 Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including assimp32 library management references. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing assimp32 library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.